Fitment KEMIMOTO rear mid-panel perfectly compatible with 2014 to 2023 Pioneer 700 and Pioneer 700-4. Block debris entering from rear. The UTV rear window has decreased the amount of cold air, dirt, mud, snow, debris entering the cab. Keep you and your passenger stay clean after a trip, also reduce your cleaning work of your UTV. Open window. There is a transparent zipper window on the UTV mid-panel. In the summertime, you can open the window to get more airflow, which takes some of the heat out of the cab and let you feel cool. Also, you can close it to keep warm inside the cab when it's cold weather. Easy installation. Easy to put it on in a short time. Just wrap over the rear frame of your UTV and use the straps and zipper to fasten. All designs ensure the fabric panel stable and fit your UTV better. Upgraded material. This KEMIMOTO back panel adopts 600D fabric, PVC transparent material, urethane coated and DWR, durable water treatment, which is durable, water repellent and UV fade resistant. Top reviews from the United States. Incredible. I was completely floored at the fit and quality for the money. The rear window has a zipper, but it also has some fabric all the way around it, so you could unzip it a bit and not have rain get in. Would buy again without hesitation.